What up, YouTube? Sister got me this cool little shot glass. It's one of those Tavares ones. So, cheers to this break. And let's have some fun. I like this product. Seen it broken a lot. And seen some nasty stuff come out of it. Hopefully I can get something nasty out of here. If I can open the damn packs. There we go. Alright, here we go. Jarvis Landry, Odell Beckham, Jared McCoy, and Cameron Artis Payne. Devonta Freeman, Kirk Cousins, helmets of Matt Jones, Eric Armstead, gosh dang. We got here a little die cut Dwayne Bowe, our double Air Marshals Eli, Air Marshals Aaron Rodgers, and Trey McBride. This one seems a little thick. God damn. A little something, a little refractor edge. Troy Aikman, Aaron Rodgers, Ben Koyak, and Eric Kendricks. Got a little color. Matthew Stafford, Alan Hearns, Sean Mannion red, not numbered, and Stephon Diggs. Got a green. Terrence Williams, Ben Pozlowski, Marcus Wheaton green, not numbered, and Randy Gregory. Some color already. Here's our one hit. Put that off to the side. Le'Veon Bell, Charles Woodson, Terrence Williams, green, and Josh Robinson. This one seems really thin. I think that's an auto. Steve Smith Sr. and nope, Brandon Marshall cracked ice to 75. Come on. There we go, 75. Brandon Marshall. God dang. Calvin Johnson, Doug Baldwin, and that's a nice one. Todd Gurley. Rookie Revolution. Bud Dupree. So just hoping for something nice out of these boxes. Randall Cobb, T.Y. Hilton Fireworks, Matthew Stafford Air Marshals, Stephon Anthony. Just like last time, just got some stuff that I was interested in, that I have fun breaking. Nothing crazy, nothing insane. We got a blue here. Justin Hunter, Earl Thomas blue to 150. Trey Flowers and Rashad Green. dogs underneath me if you hear some rattling. We got a red here, Lawrence Taylor, RG3, and Bo Jackson, not numbered. And Michael Dyer. Another red, Ben Roethlisberger, Delaney Walker, and Greg Jennings, not numbered, and Jesse James. I don't know what that is. It looks like something nice. Eddie Lacy, Chris Carter, and Terrell Suggs. I think the background right here made me think it was something colorful, but not numbered. Intros, and Jeremy Langford. Come on now. We got another blue, Peyton Manning, Clay Matthews, and Khalil Mack for the PC. That's nice, not numbered, but cool card. And Jalen Collins. Again, guys, that's all I'm pretty much looking for. Some nice PC cards. I tried to do trades, but I end up just keeping what I got. I do sales here and there, but nothing insane. Drew Brees, Bishop Sankey, Perryman, die cut, and Mr. Jameis Winston. We got 4 packs left. One of these got to have another auto in it. This one right here. Yep. Sue, Bradshaw, green of Owambe Odigizua, not numbered, and Desmond Lewis. It's only got 2 numbered cards so far. Tons of color, but just 2 numbered. Here's looks like another hit. David Cobb, Jason Witten, Andre Johnson, and Melvin Gordon. One of those variations. So that's cool. So some greens and blues, and then these 2 are numbered. 75 and 150. 75, 150. Now let's check out our autos. Let's start with this one. This one was the second one. Eric Rowe for the Eagles. J.J. Watt, Emmanuel Sanders, and Cameron Artis Payne out of 75. So not a bad one. Nice looking card there. And last one. Let's see what we got here. Let's end on a big note. Devin Smith, Dan Fouts, CJ Anderson, and Eric Armstead out of 199. 199. So not bad. Look at the off-centering on that, man. Holy shit. What's that, fucking 90-10? Holy crap. That one's a little better. Look at that. Barely see any blue on that side. That is shitty. But nonetheless, not bad. Thanks for watching, guys.